Good morning, everyone. I am Chef Ayana Mandal. Let's make this tasty dish, which I call Fusion Fiesta. For my recipe, you will need 1 bowl yogurt and 1 tablespoon honey. Some dried fruits like kiwi, strawberry, and black grapes, oranges, watermelon, pineapple, and papaya. We will slice them. 3 slices of cucumber like this. Some rock salt, chaat masala, and mint. Let's begin by washing our hands. We will take the yogurt for the dish. When you hang it in a thin cloth for an hour, it will get thick like this. To this yogurt, add honey for sweetening. Whisk it well. Keep aside. Take any glass which looks something like this. Add diced kiwi, and strawberry first. Now add a layer of yogurt. Layer the yogurt with oranges and pour yogurt once again. Now add kiwi for some flavor and color. Another layer of yogurt. And now top it with black grapes. This is looking pretty and yummy too. Also, all these fruits are full of vitamins and minerals. They make our gums strong. Keep the skin glowing. They are high in fiber too, which is good for my tummy. And curd, we all know, is good for digestion. Now some healthy crackers to go with this. Let us top this cucumber with pineapple and watermelon. The second with papaya and mint. The last one with banana and tomato. You can sprinkle some rock salt and chaat masala. After making such a recipe, all I want to do is eat it up. Yummy! Do make it for yourself too and share with your friends. Thank you.